In this lesson on how to read music on cello, you are going to learn what the first finger plays and how it looks like on the stave. The first finger in the first position plays going down from the top string, the B, the E, the A, and the D. In solfege, this is C, as in do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. And in solfege, the first finger here is mi, do, re, mi. Here, in solfege, the first finger is la, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. And the last tape here, corde de do, re, in solfege. Going up from the lowest string, below the stave, D, A, E, B. In solfege, re, la, mi, si. And going down, first finger plays si, mi, la, re. And in letters, the first finger in the first position plays B, E, A,